The way of this of all is the Mercy Islamic Foundation in the Philippines. They are the way the how we find King Salman.
They recommend the twins here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. That's why we're here.
For helping our twins to the operation. We're so very happy and so thankful because our twins now is been
Gonna separated, inshallah. We're so happy but little nervous.
their condition is they have shared one liver. That's why they need to be separate.
And the one baby is Aisha is have cleft lip. Cleft lip. They have shared one liver only. That's
Very, very happy. We're so very happy because it's our first time to come here in Saudi Arabia.